Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that is crucial for anyone working with data, and that's understanding data domains. If you're a data analyst, scientist, or decision maker, you'll want to stick around for this one. A data domain is a defined area of knowledge or subject matter that a dataset pertains to. It is the specific context or category in which the data was collected and analyzed. Understanding the data domain is crucial for interpreting and utilizing the data accurately and effectively. There are many different types of data domains, such as financial, healthcare, or customer data. Each domain has its own unique characteristics, terminology, and processes that must be understood in order to properly analyze and utilize the data. When working with data from a specific domain, it is important to have a clear understanding of the data's structure and format. This includes understanding the various data types, such as numerical, categorical, and ordinal data, as well as the relationships between different variables in the dataset. Another important aspect of a data domain is the data's provenance, or its origin and lineage. Knowing where the data came from, how it was collected, and who collected it, can provide valuable insights into the data's quality, reliability, and potential biases. In addition to understanding the data domain, it is also important to consider the ethical and legal considerations when working with data. This includes understanding any data privacy laws or regulations that may apply to the specific domain, as well as any potential issues related to data security and confidentiality. In conclusion, a data domain is a specific area of knowledge or subject matter that a dataset pertains to. Understanding the data domain is crucial for interpreting and utilizing the data accurately and effectively, which includes understanding the data's structure, format, provenance, ethical, and legal considerations. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below.